Hello, I am Chad K, and today I will be talking about volcanoes. Each week, I will cover a new topic. The aim of this podcast is to share fascinating facts about various subjects, all accompanied by calming, soothing music in the background. My hope is to help you unwind and enter a peaceful state of mind, or assist you in drifting off to sleep after a long day. So find a cozy spot or lie down, close your eyes if you would like, and immerse yourself in these relaxing facts. A volcano is an opening in a planet's surface that allows magma, ash, and gases to escape from underground. Most volcanoes are found where tectonic plates meet. These are huge slabs of the Earth's crust that slowly move. When plates pull apart, like along mid-ocean ridges, magma rises and creates new crust. When plates collide, one plate may sink below the other, causing magma to form and often leading to explosive eruptions. Many volcanoes are underwater, but some, like those in the Pacific Ring of Fire, form chains of volcanoes on land. Some volcanoes form away from plate boundaries. These are caused by mantle plumes, hot columns of rock rising from deep within the earth. As the crust moves over these plumes, volcanic islands like Hawaii are created. Volcanoes are labeled as either active, dormant, or extinct. Active means they are erupted recently or show signs that they might erupt again. Mount Fuji in Japan is an active volcano. Dormant means they haven't erupted in thousands of years, but could erupt in the future. Extinct is they're not expected to erupt again. Volcanic eruptions can influence climate. Large eruptions release ash and gases like sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and cooling the earth. This can cause temporary global cooling and even crop failures, as seen in past volcanic winters. Not all volcanoes look the same. The common image is a cone-shaped mountain, but some volcanoes are flat, dome-shaped, underwater, or hidden beneath lakes. Vents can appear on the sides of volcanoes, creating smaller cones. A volcano needs a magma chamber, a path for magma to rise, and a vent to erupt. Volcanoes also exist on other planets and moons. For example, Venus has many volcanoes, and Mars has some of the largest in the solar system. On icy moons, cryovolcanoes erupt water or ice instead of lava. Volcanoes erupt in different ways, depending on the magma's composition. Magma with more silica is thicker and traps more gas, leading to powerful, explosive eruptions. Magma with less silica flows more easily and results in more gentle eruptions. Volcanic gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide, along with smaller amounts of other gases. As of late 2022, scientists have recorded nearly 10,000 eruptions from over 850 volcanoes in the past 12,000 years. Eruption types include magmatic eruptions driven by gas in the magma, phreatomagmatic eruptions when magma interacts with water, and phreatic eruptions, which are steam-driven explosions without new magma. Eruption strength is measured using the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI, ranging from 0, gentle, to 8, which is extremely explosive. Volcanoes vary widely in how often they erupt. Some erupt every year, while others may stay quiet for tens of thousands of years. Volcanic eruptions can be highly destructive, but also offer important benefits to human civilization. When they pose serious hazards, they have contributed to Earth's natural processes and provided valuable resources like fertile soils and geothermal energy. There are many forms of volcanic eruptions and related hazards. Phreatic eruptions are steam-driven explosions caused by groundwater heating. Explosive eruptions are common with high silica magma, like rhyolite. These can be very powerful. Effusive eruptions, when gentle lava flows from low silica magma, and pyroclastic flows, when hot gas and debris rush down slopes. Other hazards include sector collapses, when parts of a volcano break off, lahars, which are mud and debris flows, and volcanic gases, which can be toxic or damaging to the environment. Volcanic regions often feature earthquakes, geysers, mud pots, fumaroles, and hot springs, adding to their dynamic nature. Volcanic gases can rise into the stratosphere, forming sulfuric acid aerosols that reflect sunlight and cool the Earth's surface. For example, sulfur dioxide from an eruption may have caused the Russian famine of 1601 through 1603. These aerosols can also damage the ozone layer, while acid rain from hydrogen chloride and hydrogen fluoride can harm ecosystems. In Iceland, fluoride from eruptions have even poisoned livestock. Volcanoes also release carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, which plays a role in the Earth's carbon cycle. Volcanic ash in the atmosphere can be a major risk for airplanes. Jet engines can melt the ash, which then sticks to turbine blades, damaging them and potentially causing engine failure. This has led to serious disruptions in air travel in the past. Some volcanic eruptions have had long-lasting global effects. Around 70,000 years ago, the super-eruption of Lake Toba may have caused a volcanic winter, possibly reducing the human population and influencing our genetic history. Major eruptions have been linked to mass extinction events, including the Permian, Triassic, and late Devonian extinctions. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora triggered what is known as the year without a summer, leading to widespread climate disruption and crop failures. The extreme winter of 1740 and 1741, causing famine in Europe, may also have been linked to volcanic activity. Okay, well, that wraps up my talk about volcanoes for this week. If you have enjoyed this episode of Relaxing Facts, then please consider subscribing or leaving a comment. I hope you have a wonderful day, whether you're unwinding after a busy day or just relaxing with some pleasant listening. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Chad K, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.